Hey everybody, game time. Gonna open two 2018 Panini football blaster boxes. As I've mentioned in other videos, Panini did a pretty good job with this stuff this year. It is retail only. I've opened one or two of the bigger retail exclusive boxes, and when I say bigger, it only has like, I don't know, 20 cards in it, but it has some autographs. This one you just get one mem card, but you do get a hit. There are a lot of base cards in here. Inserts are pretty basic, about what you would, what you would expect from a lower tier product. There are some parallels in the blasters in the form of like a blue press proof type deal. Unfortunately, no numbered stuff in the blasters. You can get numbered parallels in the other retail box. I don't know if I've bought any of the rack packs. I can't remember what the deal is with those, but anyways, with this you can get some of the rookies are like a matte texture, and those are kind of cool. And then you can get the inserts, and here's one, Lightspeed, Odell Beckham Jr., and the Panini parallel, and then like I said, you get the one mem card, and that's pretty much it. The card stocks on the thin side, the photography is pretty good. What else? I guess that's about it. Here's a Deshaun Watson insert, Champions of Tomorrow, Bortles and Garcon. Samuel, Kareem Hunt, Anunwa, Reggie Ragland. Here's the first parallel. As you can see at the top, it says Panini. So there's one. The rookie cards, in addition to being like a matte texture, has it's kind of like a closed, I don't know, like a old school photography. Here's an Alvin Kamara human highlight reel, Dre Kirkpatrick and Travis Benjamin. Okay, pick this back up. Alvin Kamara human highlight reel. I don't remember what I was saying. You'll see when I pull a rookie. You do not get a rookie in every pack, so that's kind of a good thing, I guess. It definitely makes it tough to get any of the better rookies for sure. I've had a really tough time. I don't think I've pulled any of the top rookies out of this stuff. Here's a Jordy Nelson parallel. You can get parallel versions of the rookies too. So if you were to get, here we go. As you can see, they've darkened the borders. It just kind of makes it stand out more, and then you combine that with the canvas type, let's see if I can get it in the light, canvas type texture there. I don't know, it's just a nice card, especially for a lower dollar product like this. Here's another, oh sweet, a Drew Brees parallel. And Drew Brees base. Baldwin, Smith, Burns. Here's a franchise leaders, Larry Fitzgerald. I think I said in the other video, these inserts kind of just remind me of the top that you would get like in a box of Score, probably something like that. The last 2 years Panini had some kind of like theme. Ooh, here's a Lauletta rookie parallel. That's nice. Not that he's the best prospect, but I like that how it looks on these cards, the Panini stamp. Anyways, in the years past, it had tiers like this Knight, Knight. I think that's my hit. And it had like hollow foil and rainbow foil, and they don't have any of that this year. There's JT Barrett, rookie. And let's see what we can get. So they've completely revamped. Jalen Samuels is our hit. It is a Quest Jumbo Rookie Memorabilia. Not bad. And those are the last two. Alright, I gotta take a phone call real quick and then I'll come back with the second box. Alright, phew. Crazy day today. Busy. Let's see if we can get through this box uninterrupted. That's one thing about these less expensive products. They have a lot of cards, so breaking even a blaster box takes a good minute. $11 packs to be precise in these blasters. Alright, Dante Hightower, Alabama boy there. McCarron was too. Ty Montgomery, parallel. Cousins, Le'Veon Bell. Here is a AJ Green light speed insert. Gerald McCoy and Devontae Parker. Clinton Dix, Zach Ertz, McGuire, Malik Hooker, parallel Tevin Coleman for the Falcons. Marlon Humphrey. C.J. Anderson, Sterling Shepard, Marvin Jones. Ooh, here's not a good rookie. Michael Gallup. Brandon Cooks. What else we got going on in here? Alright. Evan Ingram, Ezekiel Elliott, Chung, Peppers, Hopkins. Oh, Hopkins is actually a parallel. I don't know if you can see it. It's so dark. There we go. Bright and Lee. Martin Hill, there's Trubisky and Vinatieri. Franchise leaders, Bruce Smith, Mark Ingram, Will Fuller, Laramie Tunzel, Curtis Samuel, Kareem Hunt, Devonta Freeman, Austin Safarian Jenkins. Here, ooh, this is another good one. Marcel Aitman, Panini parallel rookie. This has been one of the better blasters of this that I've opened as far as the rookie cards go. That's my hit. Yeah, I've had a really tough time. I haven't pulled any, no Baker Mayfield, no Darnold, no Saquon, nothing out of any. And now I've opened quite a few. There's a Ballage rookie. This box actually has more rookies than I typically pull out of these blasters too, so it's good in that regard as well. Matthews, Bennett, McCoy, Robinson, Derek Carr, Human Highlight Reel Cream Hunt. Didn't we already get this one? I swear I think we already pulled this one. Like, maybe even in the same box, or the last one for sure. Martavis Bryant, Devontae Adams, Ronald Darby, Bryant, All-Pro Aaron Donald, Alonzo and Dunlap, and our last pack with our jersey card has but Lockett, Rhodes, Crowder, Anza. Oh wow, Nick Chubb. How about that? And oh wow, okay. And this does have that same theme, the Knights theme, Knights of the Round Table. Nick Chubb to 25. Nice little patch, lots of thread showing there. I mean, it's tiny, but for what this is, wow, really cool hit. All right then, that's what I'm talking about. This was a good blaster. It was good all the way through, all the way till the end. Wow, okay, cool. All right, here's the little, that's the stack of base. Here's the little stack of inserts and rookies and parallels. Yeah, that was a cool box. I am down with that. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care of yourself, and I'll be back with my next break very, very soon.